Hello, my name is Corey Christenberry. The job I looked at was a industrial production manager. The organization I looked at was Preferred Ranch Equipment, which was founded in 1963. They are located in Mount Pleasant, Texas. Preferred Ranch Equipment is a manufacturing organization that deals with the building and selling of ranch equipment. Preferred Ranch Equipment produces ranch equipment that is built for ranchers by ranchers. Preferred produces a variety of ranch equipment that surpasses their competitors in quality. The organization consists of over 500 workers and growing. Preferred is involved in dealing with various associations, including the Pro Bull Riding Association, the PBR. Other affiliations include the Professional Rodeo Cowboy Association, PRCA, National Finals Rodeo, NFR, and the Justin Cowboy Crisis Fund. Preferred Ranch Equipment produces the PBR's equipment for all their shows nationwide, including the World Finals in Las Vegas, allowing them to advertise at a grand scale. Preferred Ranch Equipment produces the following products: arenas, round pens, bull walkers, cattle equipment, feeders, fencing gates, and of course, rodeo equipment. Preferred Ranch Equipment also has a horse team that consists of 6 Percheron draft horses that the Preferred family acquired in 2002. Among the horses purchased was a horse named Goliath, who was the tallest living horse according to the Guinness Book of World Records. Goliath was recorded at 19 hands and 1 inch. Later, the record was broken by a horse named Radar, from whom the Preferreds eventually purchased, and the horse was from Belgium. One of the job duties of the industrial production manager include direct and coordinate production, processing, distribution, and marketing activities of the industrial organization. Some of the tasks include manage the movement of goods into and out of the facility in order to meet the production standards using supervisors, direct and coordinate the company's financial budgeting activities in order to maximize investments and increase efficiency using Excel. Another duty includes review processing schedules and production orders to make decisions in accordance with staffing requirements, time constraints, and budgetary limitations. Some of the tasks that under this duty include ensure the production orders are met on time in order to be effective and efficient using deadlines given by production managers to supervisors. Manage production departments in order to ensure that they stay in budgetary limits and maintain efficiency using boundaries set forth by the administrative staff. A third duty includes analyze operations and discuss production of processing problems with the administrative staff. Some of the tasks include analyze processing operations in order to discuss any problems with processing operations with administrative staff using processing reports. Analyze production in order to discuss any problems with production with administrative staff using production reports. Analyze entire operations in order to discuss any problems with administrative staff using all reports related to daily operations. A fourth duty includes develop and implement production tracking quality control systems in order to other operations reports to identify production problems. Some of the tasks under this include design a production tracking system and initiate that system in order to identify production problems using computers. Implement a quality control system in order to identify production problems using training of employees. Review customer reports of the product or products in order to identify production problems using a follow-up email. Another duty includes, of course, hire, fire, train, and resolve personal grievances of staff. And then some of the working positions of an industrial production manager are in the office and some outside of the office in the shop. The shop is dangerous, and then during the summer it's hot, during the fall it's cold. Different temperature variations during the year. A typical salary for an industrial production manager includes starting at $47,200, an average of $77,000, and the maximum for the job is around $137,700. Minimum qualifications of the industrial production manager is ability to direct and coordinate production processing reports, ability to tell when something is wrong or going to go wrong, ability to communicate effectively, ability to read and understand information and ideas presented in writing, ability to use computers and computer software including Excel, and the person I studied was a guy who actually knew more about Excel than most people. A safety concern for the job is eye protection in the shop because there's welding, grinding, which is when metal dust and stuff fly through there, and then there's shop vehicle traffic, which includes forklifts and other equipment that transports goods throughout the facility. I found the job interesting. I did not realize that the job requires so many duties and tasks and just how many aspects of the company production manager runs. And that's my presentation. Thank you.